December 19, 2017, Canton, Ohio. A routine traffic stop turned violent just after midnight when 32-year-old Mario Jermaine Pratt was pulled over for speeding. Police say he put an officer in a chokehold, dragged him into the truck, and took off while the officer was still hanging out of the cab. A taser failed to stop him, and moments later, the truck crashed. One officer fired a shot but missed. Thankfully, no officers were injured. We're going to play the video for you. Now, take a look.
He's, I guess, attempting to pull over. Louisiana and 12th here.
Stay in the car! Stay in the car! Stay in the car!
Show me your hand. Show me your hand.
Put your hands up. Put your fucking hands up. Put your hands up!
You gonna shoot me? Come on.
I'm gonna shoot you. Turn around. Put your hands up.
Y'all fucked up. Why you put on my hand, man? Stop pulling on me. I ain't got work.
Copy 1544 and 218 en route.
I'm gonna hurt your partner.
1025, 1025.
All cars off on 1025, focus Louisiana Northwest.
Car!
Okay.
You shot up. You shot me. You shot me.
Get on the ground!
Shot fired, shot fired.
Okay.
Show me your hands!
Stay right there.
Show me your hands!
I'm here, get him cuffed. You shot me. Damn, you shot me. Give me. Like that. You got me? I'm not resisting. You got any more? I'm not resisting. Okay, got it. You got it. I'm not resisting.
Shut your mouth! Hey, take a break. Take a break. I got it. I got it.
You still resist? Somebody get with that. Somebody get with that. No, I'm not resisting. Stay with that. You shot me, man. All right, we got an ambulance coming. Why are you shooting? Anybody else involved besides him?
There was one. I don't know what happened.
He took off?
Yeah.
What are you looking for? You have a description and a... Listen. I ain't trying to move my lane. Move my lane. Move my lane. I'm not fucking move. Stop. I'm not getting out. Just stop. I'm not getting out. Don't do anything. Just move my lane. I'm gonna take. I'm gonna take. All right. I'll section his car. Somebody gonna kill us. I'm gonna take. I'm sorry, man.
Fuck you. Shut up.
That's good. That's good. Second suspect. That's good.
Shut up and stay down! Stay the fuck down! He tried to fucking kill Eckleberry, man. Fuck him.
You gonna kill me? That's good.
Where are you shot at?
My ear.
4-4, we got a second suspect.
I'm trying to do slip a little bit so I can breathe. I got asthma. That's all I'm trying to do. Let me sit like this. I'm not gonna move. Just let me sit like this.
211, I left my extra job. Where are you guys?
Stay just like that. If you get up, I'm gonna hit you.
I promise you. I'm not getting up.
You're stupid.
I'm not getting up.
What's your name?
Mario Pratt, you've been looking for me.
Good. Hope you spend the rest of your fucking life in prison.
That's good.
Dumbass. Fucking tell me about moving. Huh? What the fuck did I tell you about moving? I said you could sit just like that. Did I not? Did I
What's your name? Can I ask you your name?
No. Fuck you. You don't get to get my name.
That's good. Remember this shit.
Good. I'm going to.
I know you is. Remember I spit too. And those who know, know. Now, I mean this is just the bottom of my heart. Thank you.
I see where he shot it.
Copy.
I don't think he's hit.
Can I move my head this way? Can I turn my head to the left? Can I turn my head to the left?
You stay right where you're at.
Can I turn my head to the left?
Can we get this guy up and in a car, maybe?
Yeah, I didn't know if there was a reason. Bring your knees up. Can I turn my head to the left? Bring your knees up. I am. Hey, Joe. This is my bad leg. I can get up.
Yeah.
Come back to that truck.
Stand up. I can't. My ass. Hang on. Please, hang on. Hang on. Let me lay down. Let me lay down. Let me lay down.
Yeah.
No, Harley.
If you're shot in the ear, you need a medic.
Thanks for watching. This incident is a powerful reminder of how quickly things can escalate during a traffic stop. We want to hear from you. What do you think about how this situation unfolded? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video informative, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more real stories and breakdowns like this one. Stay safe out there, and we'll see you in the next video.